warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop until 10:45 p.m. At 9:49 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from 29 nautical miles northeast of Wind Point to near Racine to 12 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Waukegan Harbor and Winthrop Harbor. Move to safe harbor until